My practice is really centered around materials. I've had a long interest in them. It's coming mainly from a science background. Conceptually, the biggest topic that drives my work is empathy and how it's expressed through art. As a young boy, I had the incredible fortune of accompanying my mother often to her job. I got to spend a lot of time around hospice nurses, watching their capability to care so deeply and completely. It really rewired my brain in a way that still drives me today as an artist. Because I'm often referencing real scientific development, much of my work centers around space, the history of planetary exploration, the current search for life in the cosmos, as well as the history of cardiology. And Houston, of course, is one of the world's capitals for both research into the heart and, of course, NASA's long history here. So the piece is called American Seabed, and it is a meditation on how do we communicate across vastly different time periods and wildly different bodies. All of these are the inner ear bones of now extinct whales, over 10 million years old. And this inner ear bone in a human would roughly fit on the tip of our pinky. But because these creatures were so huge, this inner ear bone is this big. It is a meditation on how do we communicate across vastly different time periods and wildly different bodies? How do we do that even with our best intentions and knowing that we might fail? We just might not be able to do it. I hope people will walk away from the show intrigued visually. I hope there's something compelling, whether it's a curiosity or beauty, both at the material and craft level. Scientific and artistic development in this city is incredible, and I'm proud to receive this award because, for nearly 30 years I've been arguing this wherever I go, that especially to young artists who are unsure where to live their life as creative people, there's the conception that to make it you got to be in LA or New York. Texas and Houston in particular is a vital place to be an artist because of the rich culture. The scientific and aesthetic culture in our city is I think, second to none.